Hey kiddos, welcome back to math time. Last time I saw you, we were talking about height and length. Length is how long something is if it's lying down, and height is how tall or short something is when it's standing up. Now, I had you compare the heights of your different family members. I had you comparing the lengths of different objects. Well, today, we are going to continue talking about measurement, but we're going to talk about something called capacity. I am so excited. This is so much fun to learn about. Now, before I show you a few things we're going to do, I need you to be thinking, while I show you each of these pictures, will this object need something smaller or something bigger? And you'll see what I mean. But think about that. Each time I show you an object, is it going to need something small or something big to completely fill it? Okay, let me pull up a PowerPoint and you will help me figure out these problems. Let's go. Okay, here's my fun project. It's called Will an Elephant Fit in a Bathtub? All right, I need you to turn your thinking brains all the way up as I ask you a few questions and we look at different pictures. Think which item would be best. Think about that. Let's turn the page. Oh, went too far. Here we go. If you wanted to fill your swimming pool up with water, so here's the picture of our swimming pool right here. If you wanted to fill this pool up with water, which container would you use? Would you use the red cup or the blue bucket? Now we want to do this as quickly as possible. So which one would take less time? The red cup or the blue bucket? Why? Why do you think you would use one of these items? All right, well, I would say we should use the blue bucket because that would take less time and we'd be able to get into the pool quicker. Now, if we use the red cup, we'd have to fill it many, many, many times because look, it's really tiny and the bucket's really big. So I agree, we should use the blue bucket. Next one, if you were having a big picnic, which lemonade would you buy? Would you buy a bottle of lemonade or would you buy just a small can of lemonade? Which one would you buy? The big jug of lemonade or the can of lemonade? Which one would you buy? I agree. I would buy the big one. And why? I would get the bigger container because it would help fuel more people. It would give more people the option of lemonade so more people could have it. All right, next one. If Papa Bear was really hungry and a little bit grumpy, which bowl of cereal would you give him? Would you give him the purple bowl, the blue bowl, or the green bowl? We have 3 choices. So if Papa Bear was really hungry and a teeny bit grumpy, which one would you give him and why? Would you give him purple, blue, or green? I agree. I would give him purple because it looks like it holds the most food. Excellent. So he would get plenty of Fruit Loops to fill his tummy. Let's see. This is the last one. Where would be the best place to give him a bath? Would you use this tub, the green tub, the porcelain bath, or a lake. Which one would you choose? The green, the white, or the lake? And why? If we're trying to give this elephant a bath, which one would you choose? The lake. That's right. That is because the elephant is so big, he would not be able to fit in the other two. Excellent job, friends. There, did you see how we went through different sizes of containers to find out which could fill an item or which would make someone full if they were super hungry, or how we could give an elephant a bath? That is what we're going to talk about this week. We're going to talk about different sizes, and we call those capacity. How can we fill something to get the most out of it? Now, today I just wanted to introduce you and have you thinking about capacity and different sizes. Tomorrow, I'm going to do some hands-on items with our capacity problems, and I hope you're ready because I am so excited to do it with you. Well, until then, I will see you next time for math class. Bye, kiddos.